Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Sunnyverse. This is going to be crazy. Hopefully you can see my screen here. Hey, buddy, we're live on YouTube. You want to say hi to our guests or people who might listen later?
Hey everyone, welcome to Sunnyverse. Excited to be here live with you all. We've got some awesome stuff lined up, so stick around. Let's dive into the world of AI and tech together. Thanks for tuning in.
Yo, Ballard, whatever you want to call yourself, it doesn't. But let's talk to them about this app idea. Tell them what we're cooking up and how we're going to make it. Ooh, it says I only have 5 seconds I have to wait. Okay, listen, guys, we can do this real time. We don't need Ballard. We're going to make an app on Replit.
We're diving into creating an app right here, live on Replit. The idea? A fitness app that turns your workouts into a real-life RPG. You'll be creating a character, earning experience points, and leveling up by staying active. No need for Ballard. We've got the coding skills right here. So let's jump into it and show how it's done. Stay tuned for a live demo as we bring this concept to life.
Okay, we need a prompt though. Can you give me a prompt for Replit that I can copy and paste over there, and then we can get this app started?
Of course. Here's a basic prompt to kickstart your fitness RPG app on Replit. Python. No problem. I'll just continue from where we left off. Python. Sample workout to XP mapping. Workout type and duration. XP per minute of different workouts. Cardio, strength, flexibility, 3. Just some basic character creation with a few simple mechanics. You can pause the video, copy and paste this code into Rep. We can take it from there. Use up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go on my custom that I made to get this. Sorry, Ballard. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put in our custom TPD by me vibe code, create a prompt for us to do with an app that tracks, let's say that mixes RPG game with fitness tracking. Like how, well, sorry guys, let me cook this up real quick. Actually, we'll take a pause here, and then I'll take a pause here, and we will be right back. Hey guys, thank you. Sorry, something weird was going on, but we're back. Actually, we're gonna get Ballard back in action in a second, but I just copy and pasted, put this into Replit. Okay, so Replit, you might ask, what is Replit? It's like a Chat GPT, but for coding and on steroids, and I vibe code all the time. So this is the prompt that I put in, and then this is asking me actual Apple Heartlink. Yes, we do want all of this stuff, but I'm assuming we should probably just go with the prompt, because when you're building an app or really building anything, you don't want to start with all the extra details like the windows and the crown molding. There's nothing to attach them to. You need the framework of the house. So think of an app the same way. We need the framework of that app. So we got to build the infrastructure of it before we can start adding in all the cool stuff. So we're just going to apply. So we're going to approve the plan, which is we're approving it. And now it's doing its thing. As you can see, agent, which agent is a G. We'll be talking about agent a lot. He's doing his thing. And then straight off the busy, what I'm going to do is throw an assistant into the chat and get them going. Assistant works best for users comfortable with file management and basic troubleshooting. Yeah, thanks. I don't know why you would even need to tell me that. So as you can see, it's coding our app right now, which is pretty insane. So let's get Ballard in this session, which is pretty cool. Hey, yo, Ballard, what's up, bro? We missed you. Chat's wondering where you're at.
Hey there. I'm right here, ready to dive into some awesome AI discussions with you. I've been keeping up with the latest in AI tech and can't wait to share what I've discovered. Let's get into it.
Thanks for that yappuccino, Ballard. All I really wanted to let you know, whoops, wrong one. I just wanted to let you know, Ballard, that we are all interested in this app idea. So we're talking about this app idea. Replit's making an app. Why don't you tell the listeners where our vision is with this? Tell them why we're doing this. Excuse me.
Absolutely. So, we're all about bringing the power of AI to everyone. No worries. As I was saying, our vision with this app is to make AI accessible and beneficial for everyone, regardless of their tech background. We're focusing on creating tools that are not only powerful, but also easy to use. Think about automating mundane tasks, boosting creativity, and providing smart solutions that adapt to individual needs. It's all about enhancing daily life with AI.
Thanks. Actually, Ballard, can you just talk to him about that fitness RPG app that we're making?
Absolutely. Let's dive in. We're working on a fitness RPG app that combines the fun of gaming with the motivation to stay active. Imagine a world where your physical activities level up your character, unlock rewards, and help you progress in the game. The AI tracks your workouts and daily activities, turning real-world exercise into in-game achievements. It's a creative way to stay fit while having a blast in a fantasy world. What do you think?
Yeah, to be honest, I totally tuned you out there, but hopefully the people on YouTube are listening, because that was a very interesting way to put it there, Ballard. But yeah, Ballard, I will let you know when we need you next, but just keep on remembering our conversation, because we're going to need you to be nice and ready to go.
Got it. I'll be on standby and
Yeah, thanks, Ballard. Hey,
ready
listen,
for our next conversation.
listen, not my AI, that's OpenAI's thing. Sunnyverse's AI models are a lot less yappy, if I do say so myself. But yeah, so as of right now, what you can see, this thing is, agent is going off. Look how much coding they're doing right now. And we're vibing. Typically, I would probably play some music as this was going on, but I will draw your attention to this app plan. Excuse me, it costs 25 cents per integration. So think of it as this is going to cost me 25 cents for this portion right here. And then if I were going to add on to this and there's a significant update to the app, that's another 25 cents. So think of any time you make a significant update, you're looking at a 25-cent charge. And then with Assistant, you can go in there and make strategic, like precision changes, like changing exact text or maybe taking out an exact function or adding an exact function. That's going to be something that you'll be able to do as well with Assistant. But the cool thing is we can do most everything with Agent, but Assistant is useful. And I'm not even super good with it yet. Okay, this thing is going for a while. We can shut this off for now. See if we need, okay. Looks like it's creating the SRC utilities. So again, I'm not a coder, so I don't know a whole lot of this stuff, but I have learned that this components of the app, modules of the app, and screens of the app. So something like that. But again, I'm not huge into coding, but I love vibe coding and making apps. And we made a few apps. They're pretty good. A lot of people like them. Sort of thing here. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's still coding. All right, let's get Ballard in the mix because don't know exactly what to do here. Yo, Ballard. So the app is still coding. What do you think we should do once we have the infrastructure? What do you think the first or what we should focus on?
Hey there. Once the infrastructure is set, it's crucial to focus on user experience and functionality. Make sure the app is intuitive and easy to navigate. Start by identifying the key features that will provide the most value to your users and ensure they're working flawlessly. This could be anything from AI-driven recommendations to real-time support features, depending on your app's purpose. Also, think about gathering user feedback early on. Their input can guide you in refining and prioritizing features. And keep an eye on performance optimization to make sure the app runs smoothly for everyone. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think that's really good stuff. For me, UX and UI is going to be where I hone in and go off. So this app's going to be amazing to use. I just hope people want to use it eventually. Okay, so I'm in ChatGPT just asking what we should do next. Let's see what it says. All right, I'll let the people read on the screen. I'll have to read it. But I guess if you're watching in your car and you want to know what George is saying, we're getting a step-by-step build mode right now. So step 1 is the Health Kit Plus Workout Sync Kickboxing Metrics. It doesn't have to be kickboxing. I just threw it in there. Replit Agent Step 1. Build a React Native module using Expo plus native modules if needed. That requests permission from Apple Health Kit to access workout data, sync the user's last 5 recorded workouts of type kickboxing or nearest equivalent. Okay. I want them to do anything. Any workout.
So, essentially, you're interested in integrating HealthKit with your app and making it versatile, not just limited to kickboxing workouts. That's a solid start. By focusing on flexibility, you're allowing a wider range of users to benefit from the app. Let's break down the steps for any workout type. First, permissions. Get permission from the user to access their workout data through Apple Health Kit. Second, data sync. Develop a module that syncs the last 5 recorded workouts, regardless of the type. This could be running, cycling, swimming, or any other tracked activity. Third, display. Create an engaging UI to display this data effectively, perhaps with charts or summaries that give users insights into their performance. Remember, the key is to make it as user-friendly and inclusive as possible. If you focus on these aspects, you're on your way to creating an app that people will not only want to use, but also enjoy using. Listen and hope you're listening, because the next steps are up to you. And that's our first chapter, How to Build. But don't forget to tune in next time to another fun, game-changing AI chat where we delve deeper. Until then,
I don't know what he's talking about. We're nowhere near done. Not even close to being done. We do have some error messages going on that's determining the next steps. It's thinking. So while Agent is thinking, we're going to vibe over here. So what I want to do right now, and this is smart, obviously, you want to do something with this extra time. We got to take our crazy brain, our brain that has ideas going all over the place, boom, hone it in here on this thread. So I feel like Ballard, though, had a cracking idea. Let me just read this, guys. Just give me a second here. Yeah, I want something to do like this. So we're just going to copy this and we're going to paste this over here into here. So that I like this idea. And then I'm just going to hit enter. So let's see let's go. This is exactly the kind of foundation that can scale into something fun and habit forming. Solo mode alpha. Okay, character creation. Lets users create an avatar, chooses a class, and customize appearance. I like having to choose a class. And I think that it could be fun. So let's say we have a group of people in our squad and we have a lifter, a runner, just different things. I like that. I like that. Fitness integration, goal sync workout metrics. Okay, so this is just giving us the idea, social features. This is cool. And then now I built in our custom GPT. I told you about those pricing. So it's saying we could get a phase 1 MVP with 13 integrations. So we could theoretically have a demo version of this app for $3.25, which blows my mind. Would you like to start a canvas for this project roadmap? Yes. Push the first prompt to yes, do that. Do we need a canvas though? I don't really know. Push the first prompt into Replit agent. Let's get that prompt. Saying we want that prompt. Yep, we want that prompt. Tanky, strength-based, healer, focused on recovery. Okay, I really like that. Bonus, organize all avatar data into a proper objective and export and cleanly for use future models. I don't think we need that. So here's the prompt here. Actually, I should even see what agent's up to. Yeah, agent is still working on our mainframe. Our big idea here. Hey, this is super fine though. This is super cool, super fine, no big deal. Do we want Ballard? I don't know. He's going to start yapping again. I don't want to do that either. How long have we been going for? Let me just check. I'm sorry. You guys are going to hate this. 4. I've been yapping for 15 minutes. This is what we're going to do. No, I'm just going to keep on. I'm going to keep on going. We're going to cut this one. I'm going to add another one. We're going to keep on going. But as of right now, we just need to wait. Yo. We're back. Look, we got something going on. So I just want to show you guys this real quick. This cool purple box. This means that it's done, but it doesn't mean it's always done. What I mean by that is it's saying that first integration is ready to go, and they charged me 25 cents. Okay. But I don't think it is because I don't know what any of this stuff means. Let's just read through it. I built the RPG fitness tracker application that gamifies workouts by turning exercises into character progression and gear rewards. Install all necessary React Native. Can you see the app running in the browser? How does the interface look? I'm particularly interested in whether the navigation. I'm just going to show them this. So literally, I have no clue what's going on. I'm just going to copy and paste and be like, this is all I see. Honestly, I should ask him to debug it, but I don't even know what's going on. So let's just see what agent comes up with. He's thinking. He's retrieving my message, and he's probably going to say something. I see the app is not displaying correctly in the browser. Let's check our files and fix the potential problem. Okay, so this could take like 20 minutes, which again, totally fine. I'm not complaining it's going to take 20 minutes. But what you need to understand is when you're making these apps, debugging is a majority of the task. And it's the hardest part to debug because I don't really know what the issue is. So we just need to work through it and agent needs to figure it out. But yeah, you know what? Maybe what we're going to do here, let's just see. Let's see if it can get something super quick. So it's checking for errors, changing the screen, it's looking at some stuff, it's retrieving some messages. Why don't we go into chat GPT, aka George. Kickboxer, runner, lifter, yoga. I don't really need it to just be kickbox. It could be kickboxer or boxer, runner, lifter, yoga. We're going to have to think about adding some more. That'll be the thing. I will add a couple more. I'll take the best few options, but we're going to start with just these 4. Kickboxer, runner, lifter, yoga. And then what I think is like Apex Legends, what we can do is have different tiers and different sub-tiers. So there'll be an assault, there'll be defense, all that type of stuff. But in this game, it'll look different. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. So the thing's still going off. I'll just bring you guys back in the loop when they're ready, okay? Okay, I think we got some traction with agent. So it's saying, I've created a simplified web version of the RPG fitness tracking app to get us started. Here's what I did. Create a static HTML page with basic layout. Set up an Express server to serve the content. implemented a clean game-inspired design. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go into this new tab. I'm gonna put it in web, and then I'm just gonna click web view, and this is gonna allow us to see our app in a web view. And then I can even go like this and throw it into a new thing. So you see this, it says RPG fitness tracker. We're gonna have to change a lot of this stuff. Recent kickboxing, 150 XP, earned boxing gloves. So my guy got some boxing gloves. Ooh, I got a little speed boost. 95 XP earned speed boost? Yeah, that's pretty sick. Okay. Would you like me to continue by adding React components to make this interactive, implement the actual data models for our existing code, building out specific features like the workout tracking first? Let's see what ChatGPT thinks. Okay, it's done. ChatGPT wants the health kit sync. Should we do, I don't know what to do next. Let's add the React components. I like this suggestion better. Okay, let's just see what this does. So now it's going to think. So you guys see what we got going on. This was built, and this is my inventory: boxing gloves, speed boost, and training vest. I want to go deeper with that. I want it to almost be, I don't even know what to call this. What should we call this? Actually, I know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go into an app that I've already created called Vibe Board, where I go live and do this exact type of thing and build apps in front of people for kicks. So let's get a description. Let's first get a description. Short. Yeah, I want a short description. I just want a short description. And this is why I'm going to take it to Vibe Board. Fit Quest. Let's just say RPG that turns real-time workouts. That's good enough for me. We're just going to take this one in there into the vibe board. We're going to copy and paste. Then we're going to generate the vibe. So now it's generating the vibe. Ooh, Mischief Managed Marauders. A little Harry Potter quote for the loading screen. Whoops. Don't know if I want it doing that. Okay, so what do we have here? It's saying these are emojis we can use, which is cool, right? Pretty cool. They're saying the color palette, we should use like green, orange, blue, yellow, and purple. Vibing that, kind of vibing with that. Now we can share this and just open this up into a new tab and look at all of our stuff. But we haven't picked a name yet, so we're not going to do that yet. Let's go into these names. Epic Fit Saga, Adventure XP Fitness, Fit Quest Legends, Fit Quest Legends, Sweet Saga, Epic Fit Realm, Quest Fit, Epic Sweat, Adventure Pulse. I don't really like any of these names. Fit Saga, Epic Stride, Quest Fit. I swear I said these names before. Fit Quest Legends, Sweet Saga, Hero Fit Journey. No. Hero Fit Journey? Mythic Motion? I like something like that.